everyone. Okay, so if you remember this is where Randy and I had our pool. But the Texas wind, I came out one day and the pool was on top of the cabana. So we decided we were going to do a fire pit. Right, Randy?
It's kind of hard to swim in a pool on top of a cabana.
Yeah, so we hauled that off and put it in with the stuff from the fire and just hauled all that off. So Randy, this is more Randy's little idea. We were going to put a garden here, but I think we will enjoy a fire pit more. So, but what we're going to do, we bought some pea gravel and we're going to lay that down, and then Randy got a fire pit thing that he liked. Tell him about that. Tell him about that.
It's a fire pit.
No, tell him about the fire pit.
It's pretty cool. It's a big round one where got the bar around the outside where you can rest your feet. It's got a cooking grid that you can move over to the top of it and cook whatever.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get some, what are they called? What kind of chairs?
Adirondack chairs.
Yeah, and I don't know if I want all different colors. Randy was saying something about all different colors or just one color, so we'll have to debate that and see who wins on that. Because we're gonna be in the process of painting the house and stuff, so I don't know. And we're gonna put some little tiki torches out and some little lights. And then at the ranch that Randy's father, he passed away, but he bought a ranch that has how many acres? 127? 132? Something like that. Yeah, and there's some rocks there, and later on in years we'll probably have to sell that land, but we want to bring some rocks and we're going to outline this circle right here. So we'll bring the piece of Randy's dad here with us. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to get started on this. Randy, what are you doing with the rake?
Just trying to break up these big pieces.
Okay.
Edge.
Now we're going to put the pea gravel just like around this area, or are we going all the way to the grass?
All
or
the way
just
to the grass.
But don't you want to leave some for the rocks?
Yeah, I mean, we'll leave a little space for the rocks.
Like a foot or so?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So stay tuned. Okay, so pretty much got all that smoothed out and everything, and now Randy's going to put some weed preventer.
Yes, we don't want weeds popping up through the middle of the pea gravel.
That's a pretty color. Like orange and gray.
Dip the catfish in there and see how it tastes.
No. Nope. Has a little bit of smell. Well, at least the pool flattened it down.
I'm getting dizzy.
And it was You gonna use all that?
Probably not.
The more the better, probably.
More the merrier.
Yeah. We got a lot of mowing to do. Look at all that. The belt broke on the lawnmower, so we got to get that put back. Well, this would be nice to set out here. Probably do a lot of videos out here. Okay, so there's not much of that left. So the next step is what? Laying the pea gravel?
Yep.
This is the pea gravel we got. So. Okay, we got all the, I'm out of breath. We got all the pea gravel laid out, and there's 21 bags. You think that's gonna be enough?
Nope.
You think we'll need 21 more?
Probably.
So we'll cut all these open, rake it, and we'll see how much more we'll need. This is a big fire pit. So are we gonna put gravel in the middle?
No.
Just around the fire pit?
Might get some lava rocks put in the middle.
The middle?
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Under 10 feet.
Yeah, that look good. All right, you have your knife? Daniel Boone? I'll help you do this. Alright, we got the little piles going here. Now we're going to rake it. You still think we're going to need more?
Yep.
How many more? Whoa. How many inches should the gravel be?
Couple inches anyway.
This is the middle, so we're not going to put anything there. Okay, we went to Lowe's, and as you can see, we got a trailer full of stuff. We got our swing that we're going to put together. We're going to put some posts together. We got the barrels. I think it's going to look great. We got more of our pea pebbles. And we got some topsoil because Randy is going to do a herb garden and a vegetable garden. And we're going to put it in that. So that's going to look real cool. And then we got our gray chairs. So we decided to just do one color. So let's get started. Randy, say hi, Randy.
Hi, Randy.
Now Randy is putting some, what's it called? Beach Pebble Company Black.
Polished pebbles.
Just to give it a different kind of a look. So it looks like charcoal under there. I think that looks cool. we use how many bags? 5 to do that?
Yeah, for that one.
And we also got these little planter hangers. These are a little bit shorter, but I think they're cute with the stars. Because you know we're from Texas. Right, Randy?
Yeah, right.
Okay, now we got the Boston ferns up. We got the gray chairs. The swing will go right here. And then we're going to put the barrels with the post and the lights. And then when we go to our ranch, we'll put get some rocks and put like what's over there. So that will be changed. So this is what it's looking like, everyone. Let me know what you think so far. Please like and comment below, and please watch our videos. I think the next video will be our herb and vegetable garden. So that will be next. So watch that. But keep watching this one because we're not done yet. Yeah, but before I forget, I wanted to show you. Things have changed since I was little. But here's a place for your cell phone. Oh, what I thought was so cool. And a place for your cup. And these were like $29 at a store here in Texas called Atwoods. I don't know if they're all over. Is Atwoods all over or just Texas?
Just Texas.
Just Texas. So these were I want to say $29.99. So, but yeah, a place for your phone and your drink. I think that was so cool. I know we're getting a little, maybe we're not getting a late start on winter. We're getting an early start on winter. So we'll be ready for the winter. But yeah, we had to do this because, like I said earlier in the video, the pool we just got through getting all the water out, and we were going to clean it. And the next morning it was like on top of the cabana. So it was like, okay, well, let's do something different. And then we were going to do a garden, but I think we'll get more enjoyment out of this, and we're going to do the little bitty garden tomorrow. So I think that will keep both of us happy on that. But watch At Home with Tom and Rhonda, because they were saying they got a really, really big pool. And so I know there's going to be a lot of videos of that. So that's At Home with Tom and Rhonda. So keep watching. Okay, now we're putting our swing together. Or let me say, Randy's putting our swing together. It's so pretty. I love it. Look at that. And we sat in it at the store, and it was really comfortable. We got this at Atwoods. I think this is an Atwood fire pit. I think everything came from, well, some of it came from Lowe's, but yeah.
Actually, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Atwoods.
Oh, all 3. Is that pretty easy?
Once you understand it, it is, but yeah, it takes a minute to get there.
Those right there are citronella plants. Got one over there and one right there. The lights are on now. I think the only thing left is when Randy finishes that to put the seat on, and then, which it won't be tonight, but tomorrow we'll put posts in here on all 4, and then string lights in a square, and then fill those with potting soil. And go ahead.
No, I need your help.
Oh, he needs me, y'all.
Step back over here and tell me if these are in
Even?
position.
Yeah.
Pretty close.
Uh-huh. Looks good to me. Got the yard mowed. I hear the whippoorwill. Country life at its best.